Yo, ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Alright, so today what I wanted to do was show you guys basically how to go through and modify the GRUB background image. So whenever you go through and you boot up your operating system, you get that general kind of like shell looking space where it gives you the indications of what operating systems you can boot from. So for instance, your operating system for Linux, your operating system for Windows if you're doing a dual boot, or however many operating systems are currently on your machine. That GRUB little menu will give you the option to select between those devices and systems. So I'm going to show you guys how to go through and actually change the background so you're not stuck looking at the ugly black background that's kind of generic, and also it's just not really appealing. So to do this, all you need to do is go through and just run first off your file manager with sudo. That way you can just go through and move files without being requested for passwords. Okay. From there, basically go ahead and get an image that you want selected for this process. Okay, I've already gone through and decided that I'm going to be using this image, space 15 JPEG. Okay, let me go ahead and just open it up for you guys to give you guys an idea of how it looks. This is the image that I'm going to be using for the GRUB on my background. Okay, now once you've selected an image, all you have to do is go through and first off go to Etsy, okay, in your root directory, double click on that, and then go to find default, located here, okay, and then find GRUB, which is right here. Now from there, just double click on it and open it up with whatever essentially text-based editing program that you're using. Okay, and it's going to open up that file for you. And what you're going to do is go ahead and just scroll all the way to the bottom of the file. Okay, and here's what you're going to be adding right here. This section right here, GRUB background equals, and then the picture name. Okay, so in this instance I've named it solos.jpg. okay, so basically you need to have that image, whatever it is that you're going to be using, as that name. Okay, and as you see here, GRUB underscore background is all capitalized with the underscore in between. Okay, now from there all you gotta do is just go ahead and just save the file. Okay, and then what you're going to do is go ahead and take your image. And in this instance, I'm going to take this space 15 image. I'm going to just right click and copy. Alright. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and go back up to the primary root directory and then go to the boot menu here, or boot folder. From there, once you've accessed your boot folder, go to the GRUB folder and plop your image into this folder. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just paste it. As you see, I already have actually two images technically here, the space 15 and the Solos JPG image. And this instance, I'm going to go ahead and just delete the space 15 JPG. Okay, and I'm just going to keep this one that's currently named solos.jpg. Alright, now once you've done that and you've put in your file and you've named it as necessary, all you need to do is bring up a terminal. Okay, I'm going to bring up my terminal here, and then just type in sudo update-grub. Okay, sudo update-grub. Press enter, type in your password to your system, and let the system do its update for the GRUB entry. Okay, now you will see, if you've done everything correctly, you'll see this line where it says found background image : and then of course your image name. Alright, once you've done that, go through, reboot your computer, and you'll see the image as the background for your system. Alright, and you can do this for any of the systems that are currently available. So that's a pretty neat feature to be able to do and use. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Please rate, subscribe, tell me what you think, and I will talk to you guys later.